When I make Nigerian pap for the house, I like to use a variety of grains. Sometimes I use yellow corn, other times it's the red guinea corn, but this time I'm using a mixture of guinea corn, white guinea corn and millet. And I want to share with you today how you too can make your Nigerian pap from scratch to finish. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's do this together. The first thing I'm going to do is to wash the grains. I'm pouring into the bucket the white guinea corn, also known as sorghum, followed by millet. The way I clean the grains is to pour water in it and mix. The chaff will rise to the top while the stones will settle beneath. The quantity of grains I'm using is 1 pint plastic of millet and half of guinea corn. This is mostly dirt, so I'll discard it. Gently, I'll scoop out the grains from the water until everything is finished. This is the amount of tiny stones at the bottom after the first washing. I'm going to give it a second wash. For the second time, this is the amount of stones. Now I'll pour water and soak the grains. The next day, I'll change the water so it doesn't smell. I'll cover it and let it soak for one more day. The next morning, it's now ready for grinding, but first I am going to rinse it for the last time. The grains are also very soft now. Yet some more tiny stones. It's ready now, so I'll take it to the commercial grinding machine. I was charged 800 naira for grinding this. Now at home, they blended this very finely, so I'm going to add water to thin out the paste, make it very watery. Using a cheesecloth, I'll start to sieve to extract the pap. I'll rinse the chaff one more time to extract more pap. This can be discarded or fed to certain animals. I am now done sieving the pap, so I'll pour everything in this bucket and in another bowl to keep till the next morning. Meanwhile, I already soaked some cloves and negro peppers and I'll be adding some ginger. I'll blend this smoothly and sieve. By the next morning, the pap had settled at the bottom of this bowl, so I'm going to decant the excess water on top. You can keep this fermented water for various purposes. Here, I'm just adding the one from the bowl to the one in the bucket. This is the ginger, cloves and negro pepper mixture which I blended and sieved, and I'm adding it to the pap now. Just mixing to combine. I allowed this to sit for a few hours and decanted some more water from on top of it, after which I passed into another tightly woven fabric This will help to let out excess water from the pap, and this is what it looks like. I'll let this sit for some time while I go make some pap. I have to show you the end result. I tell you, this pap is so good. Look at how thick, how creamy it looks. You need to make your own pap at home, especially now that pap is so expensive. I usually portion my pap into plastic wraps like this, so each time I need pap I just bring out one and it's okay for my family. I store this in the freezer. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do well to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll be glad to answer you. See you soon with another recipe.